Have you ever imagined studying in three countries at the same time? Yeah, I know that might sound like weird, right? But it's actually possible. You can be able to study in Croatia, Lithuania, and Belgium at the same time. So, if you'd love to know more, keep on watching. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Nicole, the Career Catalyst. So, yeah, guys, I changed my YouTube name and I'm still trying to, keep my head around this new name because I've been so used to Kazini Talks. But anyway, it's time to embrace the new name. So you're welcome back to yet another episode of the Educational Talk series. So this is your go-to space for everything education, careers, scholarships, conferences, that jazz, that type of thing. So yeah, if this is your type of content, then please do smash that subscribe button, like the video, and let's dive in. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys yet another amazing and exciting scholarship opportunity for you guys to go and pursue your study dreams abroad. So in this video, we are talking none other than the EMMIE Erasmus Mundus Scholarship 2025 opportunity. So this application is already open. I think the applications opened in October and the deadline is all the way in December. So it's not a long time to go, but you still have some time to prepare for it. So this amazing scholarship is open to all students from across the globe. And also the beauty about it is that they IELTS is not really restricted, so you have an opportunity to still apply for it even without having IELTS. So this scholarship is specifically for integrated management and sustainable entrepreneurship. So I'm going to be walking you guys through the website so that you can look at the scholarship, get to know more details about it and how to apply, and hopefully you'll be among the lucky students that will go and study in Croatia, Lithuania, and Belgium for the scholarship next year. So let's get into it. Website for the Erasmus Mundus Master Impact Entrepreneurship. In short, it's called EMMIE. So the applications for the 2025 cohort scholarships will open on October 7th, which already opened, and it will run until December 23rd. So you still have some time for you to begin preparing yourselves in order to apply for the scholarship. So some details here, please carefully read through all the application requirements below. Incomplete applications will not be considered and applications cannot be modified once submitted. So the following documents will be required to complete an application. So make sure that you'll need to have your English translation of your birth certificate. In case if it's not in English, then you'll need to translate it and upload it in PDF format. You'll need a photo, you'll need a current CV in English. So here they've already given you a link to use the Europass CV format. And you have to make sure that your CV includes your academic studies, employment history, certificates or awards received in the past 5 years, etc. Then you'll also need a personal motivation letter in English outlining why you're interested in the EMMIE program and ideas for the startup company which will be developed during the program. So this one, they've given you a maximum of 2 pages. You can see, guys, like the instructions are quite clear, straight to the point. So yeah. The other one is a copy of all higher education diplomas. So you'll need your bachelor's degree and master's degree if applicable. That is if you've already completed your master's degree, and a transcript of records in English. So all documents must be officially certified by the issuing institution. A certified English translation will be required for successful candidates when applying for international travel documents. An English language proficiency test or document for individuals who have not successfully completed a full degree university in English. So make sure that this one, read it carefully. That's why they have highlighted it in bold, because if you did not complete any of your exams in English, then you'll need to complete the English proficiency test. So here, things like TOEFL and IELTS are accepted. Duolingo tests will not be accepted. So please don't bother taking any tests on Duolingo, because those will not be accepted. It's only TOEFL and IELTS. Then if you're applying for a scholarship, please describe your interest for a full or partial scholarship, 1 page maximum. You're going to need 2 recommendation letters written by 2 different individuals. The letters must be submitted in English. Academic or professional references are accepted. If you already have a well-developed entrepreneurial project which you plan to implement during your master, please provide a short 1-page description addressing the problem you plan to address, the solution you wish to implement, and 3, the current state of development of your project. If you live in a country other than that of our passport or nationality, for example, you have a Canadian passport but live in Belgium, an official document issued within 12 months of the submission deadline showing your place of residence must be submitted. The place of residence could be verified based on the provision of the documents listed on the Prado website. Okay, and the program starts in Zagreb on the 1st of September, which is Croatia. So each student is free to arrive in Zagreb when they wish. However, scholarship funding will begin on the first day of the program. So students are suggested to arrive prior to the program start date to ensure they have sufficient time to register with the Croatian government and complete administrative duties. Okay, so this is some information here about the appeal. You can read that for yourself. I'm not going to go into details for that. So let's look at this page. That's the application form actually for you to be able to apply. So yeah, let's first look at on this page. Let's look a little bit on the scholarship. So the EMMIE program is funded by the European Commission through the Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Program, which seeks to grant financial assistance to the very best students. So the scholarship includes 2. So the first one is exemption to participation costs. So the participation costs for which successful candidates will be exempted includes the following: the registration fee to the master's program, which is 13,500 euros, management fee, which includes lab expenses, supervision and running costs, etc., health and insurance coverage, access to universities infrastructure such as library, Wi-Fi, assistance from the international office at each university regarding administrative matters, accommodation, bank account, etc. So these are some of the benefits that you're going to get if you're offered this scholarship. And then contribution to travel, subsistence and installation costs. So this one is 1,400 euros per month for the entire duration of the study program. So this will be provided for you. A contribution to subsistence costs may not be given to scholarship holders for the EMJM periods: study, research, placement, thesis preparation spent in their country of residence. So meaning you have to travel over to the other side so that you can be able to get this contribution assistance. And then tuition waiver. So students who do not have a scholarship can apply for a grant requesting the reduction of participation fees. These partial grants are based on financial need and academic merit and are decided by the core coordination committee. Self-funding students wishing to be considered for a partial grant should identify their interest in the motivation letter. So in case if you're able to pay your own tuition fees, then you can include that in the letter and choose not to apply for the scholarship. But if you're not able to cover your own fees, then you can go ahead and apply and include the scholarship that you're applying for. So it's open to all the countries, and when we scroll down here, you can see they have Europe, there's South and Latin America. I think these are maybe some of their partners or some of the scholarships that they have in these countries. Let's see Africa. There's South Africa here. I can see Kulika, Uganda. Okay. Yeah, so let's proceed to the application form. So this is how the application form looks like. It's straight to the point. You'll put your personal information, birth date, full name, photo, street address, number, box, postal code, city, country, email address, EU citizenship, you have an option here, whether it's a yes or a no. Your nationality, then you'll need to upload a copy of your passport, proof of residency in case if you're living in a country other than your country of origin, then application documents. So here you'll have to attach your motivation letter, 2 pages, recommendation letter, two different recommendation letters, but this is for the first one and then the second one. Then here, how did you hear about the EMMIE program? So you can choose which option, or you can even, you can choose maybe word of mouth, for example, my YouTube channel, something. Then here, academic history. So here you'll have to fill in your academic information. Then you upload your bachelor's degree certificate, your transcript. Then in case if you have a master's degree, you can click on that option, yes or no, depending on your current situation. If you have it, you still need to upload your documents here and then indicate whether you completed it in English. Then here is the English language proficiency test. So it's not necessary for candidates who have completed a university degree in English. So guys, that's why you can see it doesn't have a star here. So meaning, in case if your studies were in English, there's no need for you to do IELTS or TOEFL, any of those tests. You'll only do it if your studies were not completed in English. So take note of that. And then you'll need your CV to be uploaded in PDF. Then here is the proposed project. So in case if you have a business that you've already started, put the name, describe it a bit, description of proposed project or current startup company that you wish to develop during the program. Then the company stroke project sector, its website, in case if you have, is the company established, yes or no. Funding, I would like to apply as a self-funded student. So here is where the scholarship part comes in. So if you want to pay your own tuition, then you simply click no. But if you want to apply if you'd like to apply as a self-funded student, you can click yes, but if not, then click on no. Then here, I would like to be considered for a full scholarship, yes or no. So you choose any of the options, and then they also have I would like to be considered. And then here you mention if you'd like to be considered for a partial scholarship. So that is the tuition fee waiver only. So you indicate whether it's a yes or a no for you. And then upload a document with your motivation to get a scholarship. So here you are going to need another motivational letter for a scholarship. And then in case if you do not get a scholarship, I would like my application to be considered as a self-funded student. So you can as well put that and then you submit. So as you can see, guys, the application process is just clear, straight to the point, all in one page. And the beauty about this scholarship that I love with it is that you do not even need to apply for the scholarship separately, or you do not need to wait for you to first get admission in order for you to later on apply for the scholarship. No, the same time you're applying for the school admission is the same time you're also applying for the scholarship, all in one page. So this is the beauty about this opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Start working on your documents, putting it together, and go ahead and apply for this amazing scholarship. So now that you've seen all the details about this scholarship, how to apply for it, and the amazing benefits that come alongside this scholarship, I definitely would love to encourage you to go ahead and start putting your application together, all your documents, your motivational letter. If you've not updated your CV, this is the time for you to start updating it. If you need any help in that, DM me, or you can as well reach out to me. My email is just down there in the description box, and you can also book a consultation call with me. I'll be able to assist you with that. So this is a very good and amazing opportunity, guys, which would not be nice for you to miss out on. So take advantage of it. Start prepping, prepare your documents, apply, and you can be one of the lucky students to make it to the scholarship next year. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Follow me on my Instagram. For any queries, you can reach out to me over there. And I encourage you to continue to share my videos, subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Bye for now.